It is still raining. It is still raining. Bloody hell. Can't go anywhere. It's been a lot of days. It's raining every day. Can't go anywhere. It's disappointing. Depressing. Alright. Depressing. I'm going to the supermarket. I'm gonna pick up my new camera bag. So a little bit update. The other leather bag I bought, I made a video about me washing the leather bag with the vinegar. I just left it outside on the balcony for I don't know, 3 weeks or 2 weeks, and they suffer from all the sunlight and the rain. I just leave it outside. I don't care because it stinks so much. I don't want to bring it inside even though it's raining. Like, I have nowhere to put it. Nowhere else to put it. If I put it inside to avoid the rain, it will stink all my room, and I can't let that happen. So had no choice. So in the end, the bag is just completely ruined. It's ugly. The leather changed color. It become dark and black and hardened, and still it stinks a little bit, but it's much better. But it's just not worth it. 45 euro thrown down in the drain. So that's that. So I ordered another bag. This time not a leather bag, and also not from a third-party vendor. This time I bought it from Amazon Basics, so I trust them a lot more than other random vendors on Amazon Market. So this time it's plastic with I don't really know the material, but you will see. I'll show you. It is still raining, but only tiny little bit, so doesn't bother me. Don't need an umbrella. Need to get my hair cut. That's the church, the modern church. Why people don't like the modern design? I think it's ugly. I don't know. I don't have strong opinion. I don't care. I'm preparing for Italian language test B2 level, and I've spent over 100 euro on the registration fee. Then I'm gonna spend 300 more on the preparation course that I'm taking. That's a lot of money invested in education this month. Oof. Hope I can pass the exam on 30th May. Wish me luck. Do unboxing when I get home. This box is pretty big. Of course, it's a camera bag, so it's supposed to be big. Right now I'm shooting with the A5100 with this Sony 10 to 18mm lens. Can you hear me? It's super compact. I'm loving it. It's a 10 to 18mm lens. It's really tiny and compact. It's only 200 something grams. Very lightweight. Even on an A6300 it's gonna be very compact. And an A5100 is even smaller. So that's great. That's a size you can put in your pocket. Bring it with you anywhere you go. Everywhere you wanna go. So that's great. Best vlogging setup ever. Except the audio. There's no mic jack. Can't plug in an external mic, which helps with the camera being discreet. But the audio is a little bit shady, or is it not? Alright, I'm back. I'm back with the box, and I'm gonna unbox it. Can edit the part out. Nice. I like the build quality. It's good. It's not expensive. It doesn't look like a luxurious item, but it's definitely feels
Good, doable. So that's the inside. Got a strap. Cool, cool, cool. I like it. Cool, cool, cool. You can take this off. So my camera is gonna be bigger than that. So. And doesn't stink. Most importantly, I'm happy. It is perfect, I would say. Perfect. Look at this. Open here. Close. It's very easy to carry. Good stuff.